You spent hours writing the perfect blog post. It's original. It's optimized. It's well researched. And then an AI tool cranks out 50 similar articles in seconds and outranks you. In 2025, the rules of SEO have changed. So, is AI helping your content get found, or burying it beneath the noise? Welcome back to where we decode how AI is transforming every aspect of how we work and create. Today's hot topic: search engine optimization, and whether AI is its best ally or its ultimate enemy. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai flooding the web with AI-written content, SEO in 2025 is in a strange place. But Google's algorithm is evolving too, and it's not rewarding just volume. In this episode, we'll break down how AI is used in SEO content creation, what Google is rewarding and penalizing, whether AI content can still rank, and how to use AI to your advantage without getting hit by the algorithm, how AI is changing SEO content creation. Before AI, content marketing was a time-heavy task. Keyword research, writing and editing, optimizing structure and metadata, publishing and tracking. Now, AI does most of it. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, for long-form and FAQ content, Jasper.ai, Copy.ai, for SEO-optimized product pages and blogs, SER for SEO, NeuronWriter, AI-assisted keyword strategy, Phrase.io, ScaleNut, for content briefs and outlines. Result: 10x more content and 10x more noise. The AI content problem: oversaturation and declining engagement. Search engines, especially Google, are now flooded with lightly edited AI blogs, copycat content pages created solely to rank, endless top 10 inches lists with no real insight. But in 2024, Google rolled out core updates that cracked down on unhelpful content, and in 2025, it's doubling down. Google's public stance: we don't penalize AI content, we penalize low-value content, regardless of who wrote it. What Google rewards now, 2025, to rank in 2025, AI or not, your content must have experience, real-world usage, behind-the-scenes detail, expertise, niche insight, not surface summaries, authoritativeness, link to a credible author or brand, trust, clear sources, accurate claims, no hallucination, known as EEAT. This is Google's compass in the AI content storm. AI content can rank, but only when combined with human context and credibility. How to use AI for SEO without getting penalized. Here's what's working now. 1. Use AI for drafts, not publishing. Let AI write the skeleton. You add real data, anecdotes, and expert perspective. 2. Personalize everything. Add your voice, story, and use cases. Google can detect repetition across pages and domains. 3. Validate with sources. Cite real links. Use statistics with date references. Don't hallucinate credibility. 4. Update older content with AI. Use ChatGPT to rewrite stale intros, update stats, and suggest new FAQs. 5. Build topical authority. AI helps you produce content clusters, e.g. 5 articles on one subtopic. This shows Google you cover a topic in depth, not just for traffic. 6. Don't skip metadata. Use AI to write meta titles and descriptions, but test and tweak them with real center data. AI tools that actually help SEO in 2025: SER for SEO, keyword targeting plus on-page optimization. Phrase.io for content briefs plus FAQ targeting. Jasper gives product descriptions plus AI templates. ChatGPT, Claude best for drafting, rewriting, idea generation. NeuronWriter great at competitor analysis plus content scoring. ScaleNut blog strategy plus automated internal linking. Used smartly, AI is not the problem, it's the productivity boost. What not to do with AI and SEO: avoid these common traps. Mass publishing AI blogs without review: they'll tank your credibility and trigger spam filters. Using AI to rewrite competitors' content: Google recognizes patterns and duplication. Keyword stuffing via AI prompts: make sure to use best dog grooming in Melbourne 12 times. This won't fly. AI-generated content with no author attribution. Anonymous, generic pages equals low trust signals. Outsourcing strategy to AI. Strategy is still human. AI helps execute it. The future of AI plus search. Expect the SEO game to keep evolving. Google Search Generative Experience, SGE, may replace classic rankings with AI overview answers. Your content may be cited, but not clicked. Video, voice, and multimodal search are gaining traction. Brand, author, and authority matter more than keywords. AI detection tools may play a bigger role in content audits. SEO in 2025 isn't dead. It's just smarter, harder, and more human than ever. AI didn't kill SEO, but it did change the rules. The winners today aren't those who publish the most. They're the ones who blend AI efficiency with human insight. Use AI to work faster, not to say less. Subscribe for more practical breakdowns of how AI is reshaping digital business and content creation. Drop a comment. Is AI helping your SEO strategy, or making it harder to stand out? And next time, we turn our attention to the most polarizing AI on the planet, Elon Musk's Grok. Is it just another X-branded sideshow, or a serious contender in the AI race?